Charles Macintosh, inventor, scientist and industrialist. This is Charles Macintosh's laboratory. He liked making potions and liked the explosions.
What did he invent?
He invented raincoats.
Ooh. Are these all the raincoats in his laboratory that he's developing?
Yes.
Hey, cool.
He mixed rubber with nacre to make waterproof glue. When the rain went onto the fabric, it went through, but it couldn't get through the glue. He had found a new way to make waterproof fabric. He went to a tailor with one of his raincoats and told him, "This is one of my raincoats I made." But the tailor just shook his head and held his nose. "No one will ever want to wear that," said the tailor. "It smells too bad." So he went to the Burley brothers and asked them to make a factory so he could make his coats with. They had a cotton mill in Manchester. Then they met Mr. Hancock.
What did he invent?
He invented a way to make it that smell more gooder and the leaks dry.
Yeah, it was called vulcanization, wasn't it?
Yes.
They vulcanized the rubber. And what happened in the summer then?
It didn't melt.
No, the rubber didn't melt then because it was vulcanized. Good.
Soon his name became popular and soon the soldiers and sailors started to wear them. This is how the technology worked. You get a cloth, put some water through, and you'll just see it leak.
So that's not waterproof, is it?
No. If you put something like tin foil or something on, and then it won't leak through like Charles Macintosh did. This cloth is sandwiched with a waterproof material. There's water in the top.
No, it doesn't drip through.
No, it doesn't drip through. This is what Charles Macintosh taught us about waterproof material.
Big smile.
Thank you for watching. Bye.